Hello guys, welcome back to another Python video. Today we are going to learn about branching, but before that we are going to do a revision of what we learned in our last video, and that was making decisions. Okay, so this one is called Ride the Roller Coaster. A sign at the theme park says you must be over 18 years old and taller than 1.4 meters to ride the roller coaster. Mia is 10 years old and 1.5 meters tall. Let's use the shell to check whether she can go for a ride. Type the following lines of code to create variables for Mia's age and height and assign the correct value to them. Let's do that. So let's see, her age is equal to 10 and her height is equal to 1.5 meters. Now we write age is more than 8 and height is more than 1.4 meters. Hit the enter key to see the results, and that is true. So now we're going to learn what branching is. Computers often need to make decisions about which parts of a program to run. This is because most programs are designed to do different things in different situations. The route through the program splits like a path, branching off into side paths, each leading to a different place. School or park. Imagine you have to decide what route to walk each day based on the answer to the question, is today a weekday? If it's a weekday, you take the route to school. If it's not, you take the route to park. In Python, the different routes through a program lead to different blocks of code. A block can be one statement or several, all indented by 4 spaces. The computer uses a test called a condition to figure out which block it should run next. One branch. The simplest branching commands is an if statement. It only has one branch, which the computer takes if the condition is true. This program asks the user to say if it's dark outside. If it is, the program pretends that the computer is going to sleep. If it's not dark, is dark is equal to y is false, so the goodnight message isn't displayed. Let's write the code, shall we? You see the code here, and if you're writing with me, then you should write this down. Be careful of this extra. If it's dark, and y means yes and n means no. Now we can actually run our code. So first save it, please, as always. Then we go to run module. It asks us, is it dark outside, yes or no? We write supposedly yes, and it says good night, so our code works. So what if we have 2 branches? Do you want to make a program to do one thing if a condition is true and another thing if it's false? If so, you need a command with 2 branches called an if-else statement. This program asks if the user has tentacles. If they answer yes, it decides they must be an octopus. If they answer no, it decides they're human. Each decision prints a different message. I'll write the code, and then you can stop the video and write it. You can type in this code, and then you can pause the video to type it in. But anyways, I'm just going to continue. So we go to run module, and then it asks us. So as you see, when we do run module, it shows us our first question, is it dark outside, yes or no? So we write yes, for example. And then it says good night, and then it shows what is the forecast today. and then it writes rain, snow, or sun. I don't think you guys can see it. So then we write, for example, rain. So it says take your umbrella. Yeah, that was all for today, and I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!